2023 Ford F-150 Raptor review, pricing, and specs. What's in store for the year 2023? In 2023, Ford will introduce the F-150 Raptor R, which will have a massive amount of horsepower. A 5.2-liter V8 Predator engine with 700 horsepower is borrowed from the Mustang GT500 and installed in the Raptor R. Standard equipment will include a rear axle of 9.75 inches, with an electronically controlled locking differential that has a ratio of 4:10:1, and an undercarriage that measures 9.75 inches. In addition to 37-inch tires, which are part of the standard equipment, Ford equips the R with more rigid front springs and dampers that have been particularly calibrated to accommodate the additional weight. The interior of a Raptor R comes outfitted with carbon fiber elements as standard equipment. Additionally, the upholstery is a combination of black leather and micro suede, and it features Recaro front seats. Pricing and which one to buy. The Ford F-150 Raptor is only available in one body style, known as Super Crew, which is a crew cab. It can be difficult to choose between the EcoBoost V6 model, which is more inexpensive, and the V8 R variant, which is more powerful. If we take an unbiased look at the facts, we can see that the basic price of the Raptor R is around 40% higher than the base price of the regular Raptor. On the other hand, it generates approximately 55% more horsepower. In the event that terrifying acceleration and peak performance are priorities for you, then the decision is straightforward. When you select the R package, you will also receive the Raptor R graphics, appliques, and badging. In addition, you will have access to other options, such as the Raptor carbon fiber package. The ecstatic howl emanating from the supercharged V8 engine is the icing on the cake. Performance, as well as the engine and the transmission. The familiar high-output version of Ford's 450 horsepower twin-turbo 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine can be found beneath the revised hood of the F-150 Raptor, which now prominently includes a heat extractor. It does it by way of a brand new exhaust system that measures 3.0 inches in diameter and is said to improve the V6 voice of the truck. The engine is still mated to a 10-speed automatic gearbox with paddle shifters, and this gearbox provides power to the all-wheel drive system that is standard on the vehicle. If it doesn't satisfy you, you'll simply have to wait. The Raptor R is a Predator that is significantly larger. The Shelby GT500 supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine is used in this vehicle, but the output is increased to 700 horsepower while maintaining 640 pound-feet of torque. Every Raptor has an advanced suspension system that is comprised of bigger internal bypass dampers and a 5-link rear coil spring configuration as standard equipment. Even on the roughest terrain, the variant that we tested demonstrated how impressive the truck's traction and ride quality are. The Raptor is available with a set of 37-inch BF Goodrich all-terrain tires in addition to other chassis enhancements, a selection of 17-inch rims, and a standard set of 35-inch tires. These tires provide improved approach, departure, and breakover angles, as well as ground clearance that increases from 12.0 to 13.1 inches. The BF Goodrich All-Terrain T/AK02 tires measure 37 inches in diameter and are standard equipment on the Raptor R.